Hey everybody, welcome to Fabtech 2025. We're here at Path Robotics, booth number B17033, the coolest booth in town. Let's go show you around. We've made a 12-foot tall Plinko board, coming with many different fun prizes and excitement. Hand designed by Dylan Beck. Unbelievably fun time. I'm gonna go drop a puck. Ready? Burr, burr, burr. We have a winner. Caddy quarter from Plinko. We have the arcade lounge. We have Path Robotics Space Invaders. As our robot arm blasts its way through weld joints, look at that nostalgic fun. And as you play and you rack up your score, you get entered onto the leaderboard. Currently, Simon Melton's kicking the most butt.
Is that it? That's a record.
That's it!
There it is! That's a record, baby. We got our first leader. Let's go. I mean, he might go forever. It's a final. 63-7-10. Nice work. Nice job, man. Nice work. We'll get you up on that board.
But each day we'll announce the winner, and that winner gets a custom preloaded super cool Game Boy. And here we are in line to get a beer from our very cool pub robot. Coors Light? I think so. So there you have it, the coolest booth at Fabtech. Come visit us, Path Robotics, booth number B17033. Have a beer, play some arcade, play some Plinko. Let's have fun this year at Fabtech.